Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best hardtop luggage set on the market, the Amazon Basics 3-piece set. This set includes 3 different sizes: a carry-on measuring about 21 inches, a medium checked suitcase at 26 inches, and a large checked suitcase at 30 inches, designed to cover every travel need from a quick weekend getaway to an extended trip. Right off the bat, this set impresses with its durable construction. Each suitcase features an extra thick hard shell made from high-quality materials that provide a scratch-resistant surface. This finish is designed to protect your luggage from impacts and rough handling, which is essential when navigating busy airports or baggage claims. The scratch resistance not only keeps your suitcases looking fresh but also extends their lifespan. One of the standout features is the expandable design. The carry-on can expand up to 25% more space, while the medium and large suitcases offer about 15% extra packing room when expanded. This flexibility is perfect for those times when you need to bring back a few more souvenirs or pack a little extra without needing an additional bag. It's all about making your travel experience as convenient as possible. Inside, organization is key. Each suitcase has an interior divider and 3 zippered pockets, helping you keep your belongings neat and separated. Whether it's clothes, toiletries, or smaller items like chargers and documents, everything has a place, reducing the chaos often associated with packing and unpacking. Traveling with this set is effortless thanks to the 4 multi-directional wheels on each suitcase. These spinner wheels provide smooth, 360-degree maneuverability, allowing you to glide through airports, train stations, or hotel lobbies with ease. The telescoping handles and short lift handles add to the convenience, making it comfortable to lift or pull your luggage wherever you go. The black color option is sleek and timeless, suitable for both business and leisure travel. While it's simple, it has a professional look that doesn't easily show dirt or scratches, adding to its practicality. This set comes from Amazon Basics, a brand known for providing quality products at accessible prices. The price point of this 3-piece hardtop set is competitive, making it an attractive choice for anyone looking for reliable, durable luggage without breaking the bank. In summary, the Amazon Basics 3-piece hardshell suitcase set is an excellent investment for travelers who want durability, expandability, and ease of use in one package. It covers a broad range of travel needs with its versatile sizes and smart design features. If you're after a luggage set that delivers quality, style, and functionality, this might just be the best hardtop luggage set for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews. Safe travels.